If you're not using Meta Ads, you're missing out on one of the best ways to promote your business online. Meta's platform, covering Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and even WhatsApp, lets you reach your exact audience through powerful targeting based on interests, behaviors, age, and location. Everything is managed in one place, Meta Ads Manager. Unlike Google Ads, which targets what people are searching for, Meta focuses on who they are. You can start with just a few dollars a day, and even small budgets can perform well if your ads are high quality and relevant. The system uses a learning phase to figure out which people are most likely to take the action you want, such as signing up or buying. Performance may vary at first, but the algorithm quickly learns and optimizes your results. Meta ads are still one of the most effective tools in 2025, but success depends on your strategy, creative quality, targeting, and testing. Start small and focus on learning what works. To begin, you'll need a Meta business portfolio. Go to business.facebook.com, click Create Account, and fill in your business details. Then connect your Facebook page and Instagram account so Meta knows where your ads will run. In Settings, under Accounts, select Pages or Instagram, add your profiles, and follow the prompts. Next, create your ad account. Name it, choose your time zone and currency, assign it to your business, and add payment info. Now that your account is ready, you need to understand how Meta structures ads. There are 3 levels: campaign, ad set, and ad. The campaign defines your goal, the ad set defines your audience and placement, and the ad is the creative, what people actually see. You can have multiple ad sets and ads in one campaign to test different audiences and designs. Your first big decision is choosing an objective. Meta offers 6: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, sales, and app promotion. Awareness builds visibility. Traffic drives users to your site. Engagement grows your social interactions. Leads collect signups directly inside the app. Sales focus on conversions, and app promotion encourages installs. If you're new, start with traffic or engagement. They're simple, effective, and great for learning how the platform works. To create your campaign, go to Ads Manager, click Create, select your objective, and use manual setup for full control. At the ad set level, define your audience. This step is crucial. Good targeting can make or break your campaign. You can target by location, age, gender, and language. Start broad with 1 or 2 strong interest categories and let Meta's algorithm refine it. If your ad is in a regulated category like housing, employment, or finance, mark it as a special ad category to comply with regulations.
Next, set your budget. You can choose a daily budget, which sets how much you spend each day, or a lifetime budget, which spreads spending over the campaign. For beginners, daily budgets are easier to manage. Start small, maybe $5 a day, and adjust based on results. Set a start and end date if you're running a short promo, and double-check your time zone. Then, choose placements, where your ads will appear. Meta has many options across Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. For beginners, use Advantage Plus placements, which automatically finds the best performing spots for your ads, like feeds, reels, or stories. It's the easiest and most cost-effective option. You can manually choose placements later when you have more experience, but keep in mind that narrowing them too much can increase costs. Now comes the fun part: creating your ad. This is what people actually see, so it must stand out instantly. You have about 1 second to grab attention as people scroll. Browse the Meta Ads library to see what others in your niche are doing and get inspiration. Use clean, high-quality visuals. Blurry or over-designed images won't work. Authentic, user-generated style content often performs best because it feels more real. Focus on one clear message, a single problem and its solution. Don't try to say everything in one ad. If you're running video, make the first 3 seconds engaging. Use motion, bold text, or something surprising to hook attention.
In Ads Manager, upload your creative and fill out the text fields. The primary text should quickly communicate your key message, the headline should highlight the main benefit, and the description can add supporting details. Keep your call to action short and direct, like shop now, sign up, or learn more. Review your preview to make sure everything looks right across placements, then click publish. Once your ad is live, monitor its performance regularly. In Ads Manager, you can customize your columns to track key metrics. The most important one is cost per result, CPR, how much you pay for each desired action. If this number goes up, test new creatives or adjust your targeting before raising your budget. Watch your frequency, which shows how often each person sees your ad. If it's too high, around 3 or more, people may be getting bored, so switch up your visuals or expand your audience. Look at reach and impressions together. Reach measures unique viewers, while impressions count total views. If impressions are high but reach is low, your audience is probably too small. Also check your click-through rate, CTR, the percentage of people who click after seeing your ad. For most beginners, 1% is a solid benchmark. If it's lower, improve your hook, visuals, or headline. For video ads, pay attention to average playtime or percentage watched. If people drop off in the first few seconds, you need a stronger opening. The secret to success with meta ads is simple. Test, learn, optimize, repeat. Don't expect perfection on your first try. Every campaign teaches you something new. Try different audiences, ad styles, and messages, then focus more on what works best. Over time, your costs will drop and your results will improve. In 2025, meta ads remained one of the smartest ways to grow your brand online. With clear goals, sharp creatives, and consistent testing, you can turn even a small daily budget into real results. Start simple, keep learning, and let Meta's algorithm do what it does best: find the right people for your business.